Alright class, I welcome you to today's tutorial where we shall be learning another new form of design and concept. As a graphic designer, I will advise you to listen attentively to today's tutorial and learn under my tutorship to know what and the kind of concept to come up with whenever you are designing or having this type of projects to present. If you are just joining me for the first time, my name is Bolaji Johnson, your coach. So kindly do well to subscribe to my channel. Always click on the like button and don't forget to smash your hands on the notification button. And the reason is just that the system will always automatically alert you whenever I drop any new video. Now let's dive straight to today's teaching. This is another form of concept which somehow you might be thinking or wondering how I come up with this form of text envelope. Well, this is what we call a text envelope, and you can always or you can arrive at this type of concept using envelope too. If you are just joining me for the first time, please make sure or try and check all my tutorials. I have taught you guys how to use the tools basically to design or to come up with various concepts. Now this is a concept, all right, which you can easily achieve as a graphic designer, though you need to be taught on how to do that. So let's quickly go to how I was able to do that. So what you really need to do and how you can come up with this is this is where you can find envelope tool right here under this shadow tool. So once you click on it, it comes up with this flyer. Then you locate envelope tool. So what is an envelope tool? Envelope tool is a tool that enables you to convert your text in a perspective way. It enables you to make your text or object looks perspectively nice and okay. So for you to come up with this or to get this, you have to make use of your envelope tool. So how do I get this? Once you have gotten your theme or the main subject matter, which is covenant, all right, you get a perfect text. Okay, you get a perfect text. All right, I'm trying to see. You can use several texts, but all right. So this is the text I use: score, streak, still fish. All right. So then you use lowercase, title case. Okay. So the next thing for you to do is to go to your envelope tool. So this is your envelope tool right here. So please, I want you guys to be attentive here. So once you click on it, you click on your text and you click on envelope tool, this is what you get at the end of the day. You have a node here, a node, a node, a node, a node, a node, a node, and a node here. So I want you to take very good look at all these things. So what you need to do, if you want your envelope perspect to look over, to look almost round, what you need to do is to delete this, okay? Come to the middle aspects, click on it and right click, then click on, okay, it is all okay. Let me say click on to line, click this onto line. So what it means by click to line is that if you want a straight perspective, we don't want an over or round perspective, but now we want to go into round perspective like what we have here. So let's go. Click on this. Okay, click on this, convert to curve. All right, click on this to convert to curve. Okay, then drag it up and drag this up. It's as simple as that. It is as simple as that. Then look at this as well. Drag this, okay, convert this, drag this down, and drag this down. I'm sure you are surprised, guys. So this is how to come up with just this simple, way of coming up with a good concept, and you are good to go. Okay, you are good to go. You are good to go. All right. So the next one here is how to do this. Okay. The next one here is how to do this. So let me just make this come up with it. Right. This is an oval shape. Okay. So let's move here. So how do I get this? We have the same thing, the aspora meeting. All right. So gotten this, okay, then click on this. So the next thing for you to do is to go to your envelope to delete this. So make it line to line. The same thing here, delete this, make it line to line. Then the next thing is go back to your envelope to come here, drag it up, drag this down, drag this up, and drag this down. It is as simple as that, and that is why you must always come to my class and learn. It is as simple as this. So you cannot see how it looks. This is what we call a perspective. So, and you can get this using your envelope too. It is as simple as that. So let me now teach you. If you have ever seen a Bonvita way of design, I know some of you don't really take note of all these things. This is what they actually use. Okay, this is what they actually use to come up with that concept. All right, so this is what they actually use. They can use anything to form. Okay, you can use it to form whatever. This is another way to form all these things. So the more you practice, the more you learn. So you can achieve all these things through envelope 2. You can achieve this through envelope 2. Okay, so guys, I think we have come to the end of today's class. Okay, we have come to the end of today's class. So guys, I will be coming up with another concept whenever we are meeting in the next class. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are just joining, and if you are a member of this channel, please always click on the like button, and this will help the YouTubers too. This will help YouTube to help me broadcast and also let other people learn from my channel. So guys, I appreciate you all for learning in my class today. Bye, and God bless you.